Hi guys, and welcome to another Amazon PPC video. In this video, I will cover sponsored display ads and what are some of your measures that you can do today to prevent accidental piling up of ad spend without any sales. So whenever you create your sponsored display ad, during the campaign building process, you'll have the option to select different optimization strategies. Now, I've covered each one of these in my previous videos, so you can select reach, page visits, and conversions. The only difference between the three, I would say, the first one is going to have VCPM cost model, which I don't recommend because the different attribution model, which is not accurate at all. So skip this almost at all costs. You can select between page visits and conversions because they are both CPC oriented, so cost per click method for paying Amazon. But I want to focus on this success metric here, or how they call it, cost control. Without this cost control, for either setting, so either for page visits where you can define cost per click, or conversions where you can define cost per order. If you skip this, Amazon will increase your bids up to 300% if the algorithm determines that your ad is most likely to convert. Up to 300%. So that can be pretty huge. If you set your bids at $3, it can be up to $9. That can be a challenge. So I fully recommend that when you select, for example, conversions, that at least set some cost per order that you know that you can sustain, and if it makes sense for your current stage of your product. So maybe you're just starting out, so you can withstand bigger cost per order, or maybe if you want to optimize, and aim for profitability, put here something that you really want to accomplish. Because without that, it's just a gamble. Similar is with the page visits. Hit some cost control here. Put it like 50 cents or something higher, depending on what you want to accomplish. You need to play with the numbers, because if you set it too low, nothing's going to happen. If then I suggest that you start a little bit higher and then scale down. To learn more about how this functions, I encourage you to click on the how to choose an optimization strategy and read through documentation. And here's where Amazon stated, yeah, so we may increase your bid for that auction up to 300%. That's pretty significant. Okay, let me know if you have any further questions around this. I've seen really funky results with this option disabled, so it was a surprise to say the least. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.